Hello everyone, today is our first day for the 12 Days of Christmas Craft 2021 and we're gonna do coasters. As you can see, they already had a very nice design, but it's not my style and I want to repurpose them for Christmas. So the first thing I did, I sanded off the design. I also covered them with my chalk white paint. Now I apply this red acrylic paint on all of the coasters. I am using my heat gun to dry it between coats. If you don't have a heat gun, you can wait 30 minutes in between coats. Now I'm going to add the word Merry on all of my coaster using this stencil that I created in my Cricut machine. As you can see, I'm getting rid of all the positive space to be able to use it as a stencil. Now I'm applying the transfer tape so it'll be easy for me to then transfer it to my coasters. So you can see I already transferred it, and now I'm going to apply red paint. This is a acrylic paint, the same paint that I used for the coasters. And the reason why it's because it always bleeds a little bit, so if it bleeds, you will not be able to see it. Now I'm putting the white on top and carefully removing the stencil. And as you can see, I already did 3 of them and they look so nice. Very festive for the holidays. At the end, I am applying this Mod Podge that is a little glossy and it has an extra protection for all of my coasters. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you tomorrow with our second day of Christmas craft. Bye bye.